Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll explain how to disable vulnerable driver blocklist and show you how to turn it off using the Windows Registry in a simple and clear way. Step 1, press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard. This opens the Run Dialog Box, which is used to quickly access system tools and settings. Step 2, type Regedit in the Run box and press Enter. This opens the Registry Editor, where advanced Windows security and system configuration settings are stored. Step 3, in the Registry Editor, navigate to the following path: computer/hklocalmachine/sys tem/current control set/control/ci/config. This location manages core integrity and driver blocklist settings. Step 4. Right-click inside the config folder, choose New, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. This creates a new registry entry that allows you to control the vulnerable driver blocklist feature. Step 5. Rename the new value to DisabledByDefault exactly as shown, without adding any spaces. Using the correct name is important so Windows can properly recognize the setting. Step 6. Double-click on DisabledByDefault and change the value data to 1. Setting the value to 1 tells Windows to disable the vulnerable driver blocklist. Step 7. Click OK, close the Registry Editor, and restart your computer. Restarting the system is necessary to apply the changes and update Windows security behavior. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.